If you've been arrested for a DUI that involved an accident that caused injury to a person other than yourself, you're facing what's called a violation of Vehicle Code Section 23153. 23153 punishes you for causing injury to another person while driving under the influence, and it is considered to be a wobbler. A wobbler means that a 23153 can be charged as either a felony or a misdemeanor. Now, there's a lot of information on this website in printed form that will give you information about the 23153, the potential penalties and everything else, but I want to focus on just a few really important things. The thing that will cause a 23153 to be charged as a felony usually has to do with the extent and the nature of the injuries to the victim. If the victim suffered what is called great bodily injury, and that can be alleged simply on the basis that the guy had to be taken to a hospital, okay, then they have the option of charging that as a felony, even though you're a first offense. The most serious felony cases that I've ever had were all first offenders who got involved in an accident with serious injury to another person. What do you do? Well, the first thing you should do, aside from contacting a lawyer on this one, you do want a lawyer for 23153, just to look over the case and reassure you that it's not going to be charged as a felony if for no other reason. But the first thing you want to do is contact the insurance company, your insurance company. Why? One, you want to be able to show to both the victim or to the district attorney and to the court that you contacted the victim early and you tried to make things right for them. Okay, you didn't fight over whether or not you were responsible for the medical bills, if you know you were. Also, insurance companies are really good at getting evidence for you. I had a case down in Torrance, California, where my client hit 5 cars, 3 pedestrians, ran over a stop sign, and led the cops on a 5-mile-an-hour, 1-block chase before he was pulled out of the car. We knew that it had to be diabetes that caused this. And it was the insurance carrier that was able to contact the police department, and they referred them to the local county medics who had showed up and who had treated our client at the jail. Within 2 days, I had paperwork that, quite frankly, I would have had to fight to get if I was trying to get it on my own. So insurance carriers can be very good at that. You also want to get the medical records for the victim as soon as possible. And if an insurance carrier sends an adjuster over and they're ready to pay this guy off, you know, it's very easy for them to get medical records, which they'll need to make the payment. Those medical records are helpful to you in court, and you want to have an advanced look at them as early as possible. There's a lot more to talk about in this, but it's really beyond the scope of such a short video. If you have any questions, call us at 408-283-0574. No matter where you live in California, we'll take your call, we'll answer your questions. Or visit us at our website at dmvcounsel.com. And thanks for watching.